Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Warframe game stuck on loading screen or not loading error on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon. Now click on power, then select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Wait for some time unless the game files are verified. Once done, launch the game and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -tx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -tx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, type -t3t11 and then launch the game and check if this helps. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings. After that, go below, search for the game. Here is the game application. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list overview. After adding the game, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, now launch the game and check. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select them, right click on it, click on end task. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. So select it, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game. If the issue continues, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to play it and see if the game is opening now. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. Make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand the display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once the graphics drivers are updated, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to check graphics settings. So if you are able to log into the game, then you are suggested to check the graphics settings of the game because they are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., which directly impacts the game. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even load the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, after you have downloaded the Visual C++ files, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it and after that close it and now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, log into the game and check. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, type 12288 and in the maximum size, type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable antivirus program. So if your PC have antivirus program installed, then you are suggested to disable them and after that try to launch the game, because most of the time antivirus program stops you from playing the game. So it's suggested to disable the antivirus software before you launch the game and then check if you can play it. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and then check. If not, next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder. Now select the game application, add the game application to the list. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check. If the issue continues, then the final method is to reinstall Warframe game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC and again launch Steam and reinstall Warframe game once again, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's launching or not.